Hi family and friends. Quite an eventful day. After getting up this morning and taking care of all the business around the RV, we made it over to the RV shop just in time for them to open and get them to change out the plug that was kind of bad on the back. It worked out okay. They took care of it right away. It lost about an hour, but I didn't have far to travel today. However, that's not where the fun ended. I was headed to the golf course today and it was going to boondock there and fire up the generator and stay there, and it's about 88 degrees with a 96 field temperature. So I was happy that it was, I was going to be able to boondock and hopefully save a little bit of money. However, it didn't work out that way. I stopped to pick up some dinner and some things and fired the generator up to let Winnie cool off. And while I was inside Walmart, she had the air conditioner running with the generator. Stayed nice and cool, and after about 30 minutes I came back and the generator just shut down like it did before. So I think it's got a vapor lock issue, we'll see, or maybe it's just a hot weather RV. I'm not sure. We'll check that out later. But so I decided to stop at a KOA, cancel my golf trip. Stopped at KOA outside of Indianapolis in Greenville. Beautiful spot. And I'm going to pan around, let you see what the view is behind me. There's a little fire pit, and there's old Winnie down there. She's kind of relaxing after the day. It's quite a beautiful spot. There's a lot of deluxe campsites. Some of them have swings, some of them have fire pits. Well, all of them have fire pits. Some of them actually have a chimney, big old barbecue, gas grills as well. So didn't slow me down much. I'm still got about a 250-mile trip tomorrow to get back up to Jubilee State Park in Illinois, I believe it is, and just chalk it up. It was really hot when I was running the generator, so I think it got a vapor lock, but now that I'm sitting out here in that with that soybean field behind me, the wind is blowing, it's nice and cool. It was worth the off the beaten path to stop here and just kind of relax a little bit and not worry about it. So, talk to you soon. Day 2 of the adventure.